Hey guys, welcome to Sarah's Jewelry Studio. So today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the May 2023 Potomac Beads Best Bead Box, and this is the Treasure subscription. So this month's theme is Mother May I. Obviously we have Mother's Day coming up. So this says, join in the fun with this month's Best Bead Box Treasure Edition, the Mother May I. Permission is granted to move forward and take a big step to enhance your design skills. Yes, you may get creative with all the soft spring colors of drops, flowers, and crystals. So there is that. And then we do have some really cool things in this box here. If you want to get this box for yourself, make sure you check out the description below. I have my link in there that will get you a discount, and it has all the information about, there's two different subscriptions, this one and then the other one, which is more for like bead stringers. So, I'm sorry, bead weavers. This is the one for bead stringers. And then the other one would be more for bead weavers, and it comes with patterns and all that stuff. So you'll want to check that out. All right, so anywho, so we're going to get started on this. So let me turn this camera around. Stay tuned. So here we go on this treasure subscription for May. So first on the list here, I'm going to go off of this list here. So first on the list here is Potomac Crystal Bicones in 4mm size. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. So these are a really nice pretty purple color. Let's see if we can get some better light on this. There we go. All right. Alright, so let's get started on this unboxing. So we're going to go through this list here, and we're going to see what all we got in here. So first on the list are these Potomac Crystal Bicones in 4mm size. So these are a nice, really pretty purple color. Oops, dump them everywhere. There we go. Alright, so there are some pretty purple bicones. So those came in that. Alright, so up next we have Potomac Pearls, 4mm size. And on here it says Fandango, which I'm going to guess is the color. It's an 8-inch strand. So we have these here. Nice, really nice shine to those. Very pretty pink. Nice pretty colors right now. Alright, so up next we have Gemstone Pebble Beads. It says these are African and Peruvian Amazonite, and I love Amazonite. And it says they're 6 to 8mm. So this is the strand that we got here. So this is really, these are really pretty. I love this kind of teal color. Teal is one of my favorite colors, probably my favorite color actually. They have really nice variations in the stones here and the pebble beads. So you can see they're nicely drilled, going through the longest part of the bead for the most part, or the pebble, I guess. So really nice, really pretty stones on there. Okay, so then up next we have, let's see, Czech Glass Morning Glory Flowers, 20mm. Says they're vintage. Those are really pretty. Look at the colors in those. Those are really pretty. You got two of them. They're drilled down through the center there. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to make. My first thought is earrings, because there's two of them. When there's two of something, I generally like to make earrings with them. But this could also be really pretty as like a bracelet somehow. Maybe with some wire wrapping. Put something up in the center. I don't know. We're going to play around with those. We'll see. We'll see what we come up with. Next we got, they're called Sunset Flowers, 10 by 10. It's a pack of 10. So I guess they're 10mm. These are really pretty. So it's like, it's almost like a mint green kind of color is what it looks like. In the center there, and then kind of like a brown kind of color on the stone, like the glass, I'm sorry. Those are really pretty. I like these flowers. These Czech glass flowers are always nice. Alright, so then up next we have Czech glass, hold on, just kidding. Vintage lucite flowers. I was about to read the same thing again. So we have these vintage lucite flowers. So these are fun in assorted colors. So let's see, we got 3 white, 2 brown, 2 purple, 2 black, a random blue, and a random green one. So what do we got? 2, 4, 6, 8. I got 11 flowers. I'm short of a dozen. All right, up next, now these are really cool. They are laser cut wood butterflies. So those are really cool. And now it came in this baggie with this card. And it tells you on there that they have benefits listed here. And it says that they're laser cut exclusive Potomac designs. You can either get them in wood, leather, or acrylic. And that the wood designs are lightweight and sustainable. It is very lightweight. And then it says it has a protective coating which can be removed to reveal the beautiful wood, acrylic, or leather material beneath. So on this side you can see it has that protective coating on here. I don't want to peel it off yet because I don't want it to get damaged while I'm in the jewelry making process. But I do just kind of want to take a peek, which I can't get that to come off. Maybe this isn't a protective coating. I think that it is. Alright, I don't want to mess with it right now, but I will take a peek at that. I'm sure this is the protective coating, but I don't want to tear it up trying to pull it off. Alright, so we're just going to leave that on there for now, but I will investigate that a little more. I don't want to damage it trying to rush through and then end up digging into the wood. So, but I will look into that a little more. Alright, real quick, I just wanted to jump back in here and show you that I did peel off that layer, so that brown that I was showing you, and I actually used the tweezers that we got in the box a month or 2 ago, and used it to start peeling it up, and that actually worked really easily. So, just wanted to give you that quick tip. Alright, back to the video. Alright, so up next we have a vintage Czech glass button. So there's that baggie. And then this is a really cool looking button there. So you got like this, it's like an indent in the center. So kind of like a donut. It's hard to see. It doesn't go all the way in. It's not a hole. It's just like an indent. And this is the back here, which the back actually looks really cool. You can see the impressions here. So it makes the impressions there on this side. So that's pretty cool looking. Make a really fun clasp on a bracelet. Alright, up next we have Czech glass teardrop beads. So there are 2 of these. So those are pretty. I really like this pretty blue color. Now these I also immediately just want to make earrings with because those are really pretty. But we'll see. We'll see where we go with those. Alright, up next we have Czech glass rounds in 8mm. Doesn't have a color name on there, but these are definitely a yellow. Very pretty color. Alright, up next we have Czech glass faceted rounds in 6mm. So these, actually, I got some of these with the yellow and the blue in one of the bead mixes we got either last month or the month before. So I actually really liked them, so I'm glad that I got some more of those. These are really nice. I really like this color, especially, you can see this, there's a very nice color palette going on here. I'm really liking all these colors. Alright, up next we have Mayuki Cubes 4mm pewter lined crystal. Those are fun. Look at all that sparkle on there. Oh, I like that. They're very shiny. I'm going to put them over here. And they're Mayuki, which means they're all going to be the same size. They're going to be uniformly cut. So then next we have some fancy curved ear wires here. So they're 99.9% pure silver plating. They're the premium ones. There's a pack of 4. There's 16.4 times 9 point, or by 9.4 millimeter. I'm not trying to do math. So these are actually, I'll agree, they're fancy. Those are fun. They go like that. So then what you're hanging will go in this bottom part here, and then you just close up that little loop. Those are fun. They're nice and thick on the front. I like those. I've never seen ear wires like those before. Those are new to me. Alright, up next we have some Potomac's curb chain. So I do like adding chain to the ends of my necklaces, just for to attach to clasp. When I hang, the beads on beading wire, I like to put chain at the end, just so that you're not wasting nice beads around the back of the piece. Okay, and then next we have oval jump rings, 5 by 7 millimeter. So these are ovals, 99.9% silver plated brass. There's a pack of 36 of them. It's 18 grams. These are nice. I like the pure silver platings. They're very bright silver. It's a nice bright silver, not the dull. Not the dull silver. And then all the silvers all match. So I like that too, because not all silvers are created equal for sure. Alright, and then we have a pack of 2-inch head pins, 21 grams premium, 99.9% silver plated, brass, same thing as the jump rings, and there are 50, it's a pack of 50 of them. So these are always, always, always necessary and needed and loved. So I go through lots of head pins. So excited to get those in this. Alright, and then last, but certainly not least, we have a polishing cloth that actually says Potomac Beads on there. So it has this little plastic kind of sheath that it goes into, so you could save that if you want, so you don't get it messed up. And then it's like a nice piece of, it's kind of like a chamois kind of leather kind of feeling. So it's nice, and it's perfect size for, just doing little pieces. So, perfect little handheld size. I was trying to find something that I would polish. There's nothing really here, but I mean, you can see it's perfect shape size for, doing smaller beads and stuff like that. So that's really fun. I like this. So every month they've been sending us like a tool that we can use. So we've gotten like tweezers and measuring tape and a pen. So I really like this. I like that a lot. So I think this is a nice collection. Look at all these pretty colors here. So we got the nice silver. So I think I'm just going to make everything in silver this month instead of using bronze like I did on the last one. If you didn't catch my finished jewelry video, make sure you catch that. It just came up yesterday. Well, depending on when you're watching this, it could have come up a long time ago. But for me right now, it came in yesterday. So anyway, so here we go. This is all the stuff I'm going to make jewelry with for the May box. So I will come in before I do the next unboxing for June. I can't believe we're almost halfway through the year. So I will make some fun jewelry with this, and then I'll come back and do a finished jewelry video to show you how I used everything. So go ahead and comment below what your favorite piece out of this is, and if there's anything that you want to see me do a tutorial with. If you catch me in the first few days of posting this video, if I haven't made something with it already, then I will go ahead and do that, or I'll do a video and show you what I did do with it. So alright, otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great night.